this battery gone, goodie. Battery gone, goodie. Battery with battery. You know how to change battery and stuff? Alright, come. In the back here. I have to slide this down. I'm gonna slide this here. Slide down. Yeah, slide it down. Down here.
Other side, bro. Other side.
So the other side.
This side. Check out the battery things.
Yeah, you have to live with your right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you need something.
Your nails will be great.
Lay down flat. I push it with your hand.
Yeah, okay. Alright, take them out. Again. That's a baby. I would have watched it. I would have watched your back. I didn't back that here. Take them out.
Dance now, God.
Huh?
Now dance.
Yeah.
Oh, it's good. See the man on God up there. Oh, yeah, everything's set up there already.
Yeah, with a ball line.
Yeah, I was watching it all your life. But I never come in.
Oh, yeah? Come in sometime. I say hello. How you doing? Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you look on you all the time.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you eat your food and you do your thing and you
Right.
Yeah, for real. Huh? Of course, we look on all the while, man.
God bless you. I know. I don't put nothing there. I hope so.
Wait.
Don't say me one.
No, but we look on all the while.
I was prepared just in case. I know this battery doesn't last.
Well,
They bullshit. They don't know anything.
shame just come in now, but we will get it, man. Later.
God bless you.
All
God
right,
bless
take
you.
care. I'm sorry, serious, man.
Yeah, I'll do it. God bless you. Yes. They said we can get some music here, goddamn it.
Again. We will.
I love y'all too. Big up Jamaica. Big up England. Toronto, Guyana, Grenada, Philadelphia, Brooklyn, Queens, Manhattan, New Jersey, all the way to Puerto Rico, all the way to Italy, Europe. Big up yourself. Florida. Yes, Dallas, Texas. Big up yourself all the way to Cayman Island. Yes, Brazil, big up yourself.
You're missing one, baby.
Honduras.
You're missing one, huh?
You need one more?
One more.
How come?
One more. Try one
All
more.
right. Oh, sure. So how come, but it's supposed to be even share both of them? Supposed to have each side. All money in the radio. Oh, see it here.
You got it?
Which one I put in? Was this one?
Yeah.
Look it up. Yeah. That's a new one.
Now,
I got the pictures and stuff. The place is closed, so tomorrow I bring it to them. I'll put it for the covers tomorrow. They're not open. I just came from there, but I got the pictures and everything done already. Okay, so that's why I came out wearing this stuff. Yeah, I love it too.
okay, it's on
May
you
God
now,
be with
baby.
us all. Huh?
It's on you now.
Okay, gotta get rid of the one that's no good.
It's just a little dream, isn't it? Yo! face like a machine, what we tackle. Tackle them a gaggle, tackle them a gaggle. Leave throat, girl, them a gaggle, them a gaggle. And smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl, gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle, them a gaggle. Banana throat, girl, gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle, them a gaggle. Them a talk and them a be take set. Gaggle in them throat and that a take set. One man come and another one left. When we get to all got the one of them a vex. Them a gaggle, gaggle, gaggle. Banana throat, girl, a gaggle, gaggle, gaggle. Body when you have like a ass in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, 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 saddle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat and a play the gladiator. Girl said they pretty but you know they not up. Me say gaggle, them big gaggle, them big gaggle, them big gaggle. Come goody goody, me say come from the rain. Come I back, me say come do your thing. Olivet is smelly and I put your pretty sing. Some girl them a talk, but they gaggle, them a gaggle, them a gaggle, them a gaggle. Deep throat, girl, them a gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle, them a gaggle. Banana throat, girl, gaggle, them a gaggle. Deep throat, girl, them a gaggle, them a gaggle. Banana throat, girl, gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle, them a gaggle. Banana throat, girl, gaggle, them a gaggle.
Oh, okay. Wow. Very good.
Gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle, them a gaggle. Deep throat, girl, them a gaggle, them a gaggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl, gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle, them a gaggle. Banana throat, girl, gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle, them a gaggle. Yeah. I change from little mister to little dream, isn't it? Yo. I'm in there, troublemaker. Yeah. Gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle, them a gaggle. Deep throat, girl, them a gaggle, them a gaggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl, gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle, them a gaggle. Banana throat, girl, gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle, them a gaggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat, them a play the gladiator. Girl say they pretty but you know they now. Me say gaggle, them big gaggle, them big gaggle.
When it comes to my food, I don't buy food back to so nobody, baby. I'm sorry. Time to go home, I know, Mago. Now go now. I go and cook.
Tell me what you find. Catch no man and your damn bad mind. Them a try stop me like stop me all the time. But right up me say them a call it time. If I get no son and she can't get a time. Kick up the bed rate and them damn bad mind. But I got them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Girl inna me face like a machine what we gaggle. Gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Deep throat girl them a gaggle, them a gaggle. And smile at them like a fool, them a gaggle, them a gaggle, them a gaggle, them a gaggle, them a gaggle. Banana throat girl gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Banana throat girl gaggle, them a gaggle, gaggle them a gaggle. Them a talk and them a be take set. Gaggle in them throat and that a take set. One man come and another one left. When
Get on the tray. Hi, sorry about that, Goody. I want to make sure the lady see me come not cause a problem like the last time. Hi, sweetheart, I'm gonna swipe this.
I don't think that's working.
It doesn't work either? Well,
No, that don't work.
I need to get out of here. I don't know. It worked, look. Okay. Say me a call all along, I still can't get through. Okay, so somebody. Okay, only get from me, honey. Thank you. Yeah. So you can't wait on these people, you never get through. As long as you pay, it doesn't matter. I know I'm gonna get on this thing with this boom boom at first.
I change for a lady, mister to lady dream, isn't it?
Get off of the road and I'll go cook some food and all that. I just got this stuff finished like before. And tomorrow I'm getting the thing done and I'm done, I'm not cooking no more. You love it? Alright. Alright. So I love the song from my song. More close it, just as him see me reach at the door, I'm going to lock it, watch. Trust me. If they gaggle, then they gaggle. What if they say, come do your thing? They're on the trail. Shoot, y'all, they my gaggle. All my friend are dance. They was my friend when they say my dance. Long time before you get like that. Right now, me say, them a collect time. Rewind and come again, say, alright. Rewind and come again, selector. Remember to follow me on Facebook. My name is Olivet Smelly. Follow me on YouTube to subscribe. A newborn star, songwriter, singer, comedian, Facebook famous, world star famous, popular all over the world. Follow me for the best laugh, to the best food and eating and laughing and music. Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, banana goggle, banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle. And she pretty like a model, money in a throat, them a play the goggle. Me say goggle dem a goggle, goggle dem a goggle. Deep throat girl dem a goggle, dem a goggle. Man get at them like a fool, dem a cackle, dem a cackle, dem a cackle, dem a cackle, dem a cackle. Goggle dem a goggle. Me know me so rich. One more stop, let me reach. You know, so bad mind not stop way. God give we talent and talent make we money. We not no time for it. Tell some girl them to go goggle them to goggle. A banana throat them. A deep throat them. They can't take out none of them. They can't take out none of them. Cause God is trying to hold of them. Ah, you hear me?
pretty like a muggle. Man in a short, them a play the goggle. Girl say she pretty, but you know in a me say goggle, them fi goggle, them fi goggle, them fi goggle. Say come from the ring, come and me say goggle, them fi goggle. A banana throat around the place. So they hear the song named Banana Throat, and my song this. Banana Throat, y'all. Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana Throat, y'all, goggle them a goggle. Y'all tell me what you find. Take no for man and your damn bad mind. Me want stop me all the time, but right now me say them a call it dine. Big up yourself, Papa. Big up, big up. Goggle them a goggle, show tell them a goggle them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool. Them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana show tell goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana show tell goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle.
You know represent. You know Olivet Smelly. The whole world popular. And it's just not me. Songwriter, singer. Yeah, produce my own music now. So right now, I'm going to
Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Leave throat, girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool. Them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a mantle. Man in a throat, them a play the goggle. Girl say they pretty, but you know they not. Me say goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle.
You like the song? You like the song? What up your hand? What's 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 your hand? That's right, love it. Let me see your face so far, buddy. That's your hand. Everybody loves the song. Goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, y'all. Oh, show them buddy. The thing loud, it loud, and your mama loud, it loud. You like it? Dance, man.
Leave throat, girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool. Them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat, girl, goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Them a talk and them a pretend sense. Goggle in them throat and that a sense. One man come and them other one left. When we get to all of them, one of them a miss.
Everybody like to say, you dance, go ahead. Everybody come in and dance. Go on, Billy, me see you, go ahead, me see you. Go ahead, me see you. Yes, go ahead, Billy, me see you. Yes. Everybody loves the Alright, good day. I feel Olivet Smelly team sang this. All the team them I go vex with way. Now go and go wash me cushy and go skin it out go now. But don't make me feel good. Oh, feel good. Hey. Boy, God bless you now. Hard now, stop trying hard. Till me come. Hey. Boy. Goggle them a goggle. Goggle them a goggle. Banana throat, girl, goggle them a goggle. I'm gonna go down so get some apple for me kale, coming off kale for the last while. Anybody see any kale? I have kale and an apple, so on the dressing. I'm going for Franklin here, so I'm gonna buy it. Got the bag kind of heavy if it's ready, but I'm always a dance on this. I'm not going to give them some excitement for the battery done. You know? I'm going to keep buying more and more food. Like, the bags that came come out and dress properly to leave the food alone. I can't come outside and dress like everybody else. Yeah. I can't come outside like... Come out like everybody else, you know? Every time I go to and dress nice, I hold a bag like mad somebody, bag with food in them. Stop and buy all kind of shit. And I stuff to go to Nagaland. You know when to fucking stop, my lord? Sure, man, for real, dog. For real, man. No blood clot joke, I have. You see me? Sure. The back string bust off, the belly get big and... Belly not full enough? And if it's full, the belly can't full. Can't full on the outside. When I'm outside, my belly can't full easy, cause as I walk and eat, my belly full. I'm walk a couple blocks, I'm hungry again. I gain more weight when I'm outside eating every day. Yeah, I love it too. You work hard. By the time you just get out on the road everywhere, and the girl start dance to this, everybody like it. White, black, and purple, blue, pink, young, old. Everybody like the beat. You just love it. Them just love it, my youth. Them just love it. It's a shot. It's a happen. I say you want something sweet, you get pregnant. The white girl, she laugh. I just if you have something sweet, make your belly big, so. That's my song too. You want to say hello, my youth? Hold your hand up. You want to say hello? To the world? Yes or no? Because I put the camera and listen. You don't want to show nobody. No, it's not on you. I'm talking to my friend. Anybody go on this are famous, you know, so I put anybody on this. You know, I can't do nothing in life. I know anybody are going to. You like it? Yeah, nice. Everybody like the song. Everybody love my song. Girl, gaggle them, gaggle. Gaggle them, gaggle. Gaggle them, gaggle. Banana choke, girl, gaggle them, gaggle. Running fast. Tell me what you find. Take enough man and your damn bad mind. Right now, me say, them not call it dine. I'm gonna get the I'll get the apple for make this up, man, the kale and sitting car. I love you, babe, but I want to get home. I want to get the thing to make my food. I can't eat bad food all the time. Let me look ugly. Hold up quick. I need the apple. The green apple. Couple of them to make the salad tonight. Not much. Something for my dinner. For my dinner. Not my kale. You know what I mean? Hi, darling. I'm gonna have to have the I'm gonna have the other one. Then I'll have the regular one. Then I'll have the regular salad dressing. Then I'll have the light. I always eat the regular. I may take it anyway. Because better than not. I'm gonna fill up a pan down. How you doing, my love? How you doing today? You look crazy. I know. You know me now. That's my look. Nothing.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine, my darling.
YouTube sometimes.
Oh, God bless you.
That's you?
Yeah, you subscribe to me?
Yeah.
Oh, God bless you. See, I'm on live right now. Yeah. You look beautiful. God bless you. So, thank you so much. Yeah, God bless you. Yeah. I just want this for now. You like nice color hair? Yeah? I like the bright color ones, you know.
Yeah, you know that. Yeah. That one, I take that one. Because I don't want to have to come across that. I need my kale and apple.
How you
Go inside
doing?
and relax. Go and look at it. How much is it? I'm going to find 50 cents. I'm going to put $20 one. Yes, I'm going home. Yes, sweetie. Yeah. 350. Yeah, finish. I want to do the picture for the album. For the music, for this one. That's me, yeah.
Yeah, I know, right? For what?
The music, this one.
I got you. She's singing.
Yeah, that's me.
Oh!
Yeah, she said, whoa, my friend. Yeah, that's me. Everybody keep asking who's singing that song. It's me.
You don't hear the same voice. Really?
Yeah. Yeah, God bless you, okay? I see. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I love music. People surprised when I see me sing a song. Yeah, I know. All right, guys. See you later. All right. Go inside now, guys. Wash up that thing, okay? I'm cook it. Cook not take long, because I have couscous. I have yellow yam. I boil the yellow yam. But I don't know. I just put the yellow man not take that long to boil. I the couscous and take out like 2 slices of fish. I don't want the pineapple. The pineapple make it taste sweet. I forgot the pineapple. Oh, let me forget about the pineapple today. Because they kind of burn my chest. I don't know why. I don't want the same thing at my again today. I don't want it out of the can. I use them. I need the fresh one. And I eat them out of can, so. I go walk and I make them. I walk the same place. I walk twice. Never. Yeah, to ask me to go along. Love you and respect, man. Life in America not easy, but when I look at America and see the people in big house and big car and them big business are going. People on them big car and big house and a whole business are going. And when you look, you don't have anything. You're not bad man about for them have, but you don't have anything. You know, and don't having anything. I work on my sheep. Man, come on for this rass about sheep. When I look around, you don't have anything. You see, what make me feel crazy sometimes? These are the things that make me feel nuts sometimes, because when you take a flight and you go back to Jamaica for a vacation, and you go there, little money, you scrape up as much as you could have find. And you look clothes them and stuff. Alright? Who this? Yeah, mama, I hear you. Love it too, love it too, love it too, mama, love it too, love it too. Yeah, papa, love it too. And when you go and see the big house in Jamaica, where them have some big rotted house. People want to live comfortable and nice, like a place. Them nice, like a business and them stuff they're going on, you know what I mean? You go back to Jamaica, look at money, you can scrape up. And you go down, you have like a fun and you done. Either you go stay with somebody, I feel like one like a place down there. You done. So the problem is how I see it. Yes, baby, thank you. How I see it in America, people don't have shame up here when they come to try a thing. You can't shame for try a thing when they come up here. So. If you shame for try a thing, that means you're not reaching nowhere in life. You can't shame. Sometimes I know what you want, but you have to go out there and do it and try to build up with what you have. And make something out of it. You know what I mean? When I go back to Jamaica and see people in them nice big house, never left Jamaica for the day them born. And they never have nothing to time and build up one black, two black and get to them off. And you in America sit down and say you're afraid to open your mouth. You're afraid to go up on the street and make up nice and entertain people and see where you can become more tight. Make up a little music them. You have to sit down with your hand full. And think whenever you deport people off and report back to Jamaica, you never send them money, go give nobody, you never have nothing, you know, for yourself. And you go turn mad down the street. You don't live foreign life already. My dear, when you come to try and make a life and try and make a money, I don't care about nobody, because right now I have a lot of things I want to fix. All my teeth, I want to fix. I don't have to know what people are about them. They worry about me and how life have to get good for me. I saw me see it. Yeah, I saw me see it. Can't hold the phone good because my hand full up with the arm things. I saw me see it. I saw me see it because you come in America here, you have the opportunity to do any madness where you want to do. Anything what people will pay for, will look upon or whatever. And you're going to say you're nice and you're stush, you can't do it. And you come here, you come call me, say me mad, me dirty, me ugly, and all kind of name. Like you're going to pay my blood clot bill at the end of the day. And you're going to give me a house for living. And you're going to make my life better at the end of the day. I know you're going to make my life better at the end of the day. If you do what me got to do, I don't care what people want to see me mad. As long as you all pay me, I don't care. Because at the end of the day, I work. The end of the day. The end of the day, that's what I'm doing here. You know what I mean? What you doing there? What you doing there? Huh? You water the little tree and clean out around it? And put the water on the tree and gone? Can't water in one bag and water the tree and clean out the little tree. That's soon dead. Winter soon come and drop the grass. And I'm mad people in America here doing. They say me mad until we see people worse than me. They say, but we ain't no mad Olivet. You're not mad at all. No, sir. Oh, you're gonna be mad. You're not mad. You're not mad at all because when you look at the things that you not do what people are do, you make you look back for yourself. And who this blow up my line? So alright, me get it. All right, thank you. And who this blow up my line? So now overdo it, please. Just alright, yeah, good. So make you talk. Yes, thanks. Okay, yeah. Jesus Christ. I love you all, man. I know. Somebody want to get up in my rectum all. I want to get up in the baby old rectum. Leave me with my piece of saltfish. Love it too. Yeah, thanks. Oh, sunset, can you see what a daughterly light was so proud as we march in the twilight on the rocky. Make sure they sitting and drop out, come here and say to myself, say, you must drop out of the bag. God, I want to put some old music at my ears right now. You know, that ping. Is that the person drive around and want to see music me hear 10 times? You know, 10 times me hear the same music. The rain I come to backside, I hope I reach home before it come down. My radio heavy. I not sit down in America, come turn on and turn and suck people balls and them something there. I sit down and rub people, my friend them up to give me like money out of what them have. Baby, give me this and a friend them up. I don't have time for the friend up, nobody for them sitting. Back to my face, sitting. Take drugs, let me know, yeah. I don't take my friend up, nobody. Oh. I go jump in the shower and cook something for me, come back and sit down, we can't reason. After that, we can't reason. After the food done, we can't reason, because after that, I could sit down and reason until I'm ready to eat my food. Yeah. Hello, Olivet. Yes. Yes, Robinson. How you doing? Oh, no. Yeah, I love you too. The song I sell off, metal say white and black. Yo, the song I go bust the whole place. When it's take over Jamaica, London, Canada. Goody. Remember, look how good them a frisky body can dance. If you call me, if you come meet up with me, so we can do the video out the door. But only a video till the real video come. Don't forget to call me. You know what I mean? You know I'm right by the Brooklyn Museum. You meet me there. I come outside with the music. We do our thing, man. There's other people who look to be popular though. We can dance and I look for do something. So when they get the crowd, they have something to make the crowd and make money later on. Not for foolishness. Just for views. Something you can make money from later on. You know? Olivet bust you out. I'm for stupidness. So the guy listen me see today. I know him all the time when he has a watch me and I say, goody up on him something there. You know? I'm just trying to bust him and like a dance. I try to be good with people. Because sometimes be good people them talk you down, talk nasty thing about you, they're not glad, and then push themselves like them better than you after you give them help. But what you do, you try to do the best you can with people. Because if people put you, if you look a number, you know, reach away to you want everybody if you have them thing I go on. You know, it's for everybody. Because nobody can outside and do nothing again. If you do everything inside nowadays, not all I can do to the door. See the road scanty, you know, see it stay. I could have the road and dance to the whole place, pack up food. And like one time, people scared. People are scared, honey. It's not like one time. People are definitely scared, I'm telling you. It's not like one time at all. We're gonna come to. We're gonna come. We're gonna come, goody. It's not gonna make it home for the rain. And if I'm gonna make it for the rain, I'm tired of yellow yam and sitting them heavy. Bahamas, big up yourself. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle. She said me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in her throat them a play diggle daggle. Girl say she pretty but you know they not happen. Me say goggle them fi goggle. Google now your throat girl, tell me where you find. Take enough man on your damn bad mind. You want to stop me all the time, but right now y'all, you not get a dime. Girl have to swallow man if she want a kind. Goggle ya goggle. Girl, you better swallow if you don't have a dime. You have to swallow if you want to collect the coin. Swallow, please. Swallow and I give you the coin. Swallow. Yes, I'm not going to give it to you now. You're being a bad girl. You know you're supposed to swallow it. Swallow. Else I'm not going to give you the coin. You're being a bad boy. You swallow, you hear me, bad boy. Bad boy, you swallow. Swallow, boy. You better swallow, boy. You better swallow, you hear me, boy. You swallow, girl, swallow, boy, swallow. Anyone could swallow. Swallow. This is after the thing we say swallow. Some girl are going like them pretty and them teeth white, but they know if full of cara. Pan them tongue away, each up with them swallow. Oh, them a go on, man, come, them a pala. Me nah beg no friend. Me better than them. Shining star. Nah beg no friend. You have some girl, them talk about them tight up. So them body all about and he right up. But when they come at this body, man, not fi fight up. Them a try me case. Yo, Vice Cartel, if you let out Vice Cartel because I miss him. I love me some Vice Cartel. You goddamn it, girl. You got to do it. Sure. And let out Vice Cartel. How can you do that to any human being? People need to protest more. If a person is not guilty, then just not guilty. How can you keep doing the same shit, you know? Over and over again and get away with it. It's not justice. It's just not justice at all. Y'all eating what piece I wanna eat. What wanna eat over this, sir? I don't know. I'm fine, my love. You're on live, are you sexy? Are you on live? I'm not watching. Yeah. You're on live. What are you doing? You buy a lot of stuff there. No. Alright, you too. Are your mommy just too? No. My friend. Your friend, how you doing, darling? Right. God bless you too. Yeah, I'm on the live now. That's my good. Turn around the back, let me show. Huh? Turn around the back, let me show you bum. It's nice and firm. Beautiful baby. That's my baby. Say hi to mommy. Okay. Right. I love you guys. Bye. Okay. So, you know, when I stand by, I always see somebody I never met before, but they know me. So, you know, it's like, you know how it is. But I'm close to the house now. Don't worry. I'm very close to the door. So, yeah, so like I said, right? It's like It's like, you know, people just want. The hell? I know what I did wrong, but why this thing get like this? This camera. Yeah, that happens sometimes. I don't know, I have to hang up. I don't know why I get like this. This phone just get like this. I can't even find it, the thing. That's weird. That's weird, goody. Who that one? Come on, come talk. So make a come on. Talk. May I try fix this thing? Oh, come talk, come talk, come, my audio, come talk. Me eye black up on this thing, damn. Come in and wear the spray thing for my eye. This they call it the sprit. So all the makeup on, it make your face more sticky and like, you know, bump up your face. So me put it on it. Yeah, I love it too. I love all of you guys. God bless you too. Yeah, that's what I tell you do the banana throat video and send it to me. And then we will display it for them. I told them already to do it, but you got to have bananas, ripe bananas around. Don't do it without the banana. I'm gonna cook now, and then I have to try get some banana, and then I'll come back on and we'll do it together. But I have to cook first. It's not gonna take me long now. Let me get inside the house. I got the pictures ready. That's why I wear the outfit. You know, it's kind of falling down because of the stuff. Them kind of make it heavy. But you know, I do the picture in it, so it's good because I need to do the picture. You know, to cover to cover the picture for the thing. So that's why I wear this today. That's why I wear it. Simple. I don't want to wear no high shoes because I know I was gonna be up and down, and that would have been a problem. You know, with it. So on. Everybody stop and take picture and stuff. So you know, I ain't even gonna make up my own like a hairstyle. You know, you see, make up my own like a hairstyle, goodie. This is some ear me they have, human ear me they have. Me put it with a wig and fix up it and make it like that. You know? Yeah, yeah. You love me, boy? Yeah, look like your long John a jump for me. Yeah, much love. Yeah, yeah. But Rob is a shooter too. Yeah, pick up yourself. You know, I like to make jokes with everyone. Rob yes, them sort of like one dog. Like, burr you. Arrgh. One. Arrgh. I drop me a make, man. See the dumpster where they want to put me in here for no reason. See the dumpster here where they want to dump me in. They want to put me in so badly. How you doing? Are beautiful. Glad when I'm home, I feel happy when I'm reach back. Because I know I could go inside, relax, cook some food, you know. It's over, get the picture over with. That's the most important thing I really wanted to get over with was get that. So tomorrow we can get up in the morning and we can just run, go drop them off and get everything set up and everything done. Once and for all. I got to get this. I can't sit down, you know. It's not like when people have my stuff like over 2 years I was waiting for the album and then the next year make 3 years when they release and then none of the plan. Not upon the album, you know. Not all upon the album. Then wipe clean. I don't know how that happened, but nothing upon a song upon the album them. So when you carry the money back in, I still don't get nothing because nothing upon the album them. Not at all. Sounds crazy, but it's true. There's nothing on it. I was surprised. There's nothing on the album. Yeah. Goggle them a goggle. If short girl them a goggle them a goggle. Banana short girl goggle them a goggle. She said me ugly and she pretty like a muggle. Money no mouth them a play dagger. In a short them a play dagger dagger. Captain, over here, nothing now. Mr. Gaggle, if we gaggle. Come, goody, goody, Mr. Come for my ring. Come on. They think. What place that? Like, look, we must in here. Look, we must in here. Look, we have all the opportunity to do it. I'll put this place, big to stay. I'm going to bury sometime alone in here. Look, we must in here on the wall. So I end up living up on the wall. So people stand up in here on the wall, you see, but I create my mind, I can't know about the people on the wall. Because I open up my third eye, and I know what my spirit can come through, and that's the problem. When you open your third eye, these are the things that happen. When you open your third eye, sometimes spirits come through, and you will start seeing them, like people. You're going to get scared and drive yourself, you're going to go mad, but you can't do that. You open your third eye, you have to just be firm, and talk to him and say, look, I don't know why you're there here, why problem, why you're here, or what is the plan, why you're here, I now, but nothing for you. Nothing for you, but I'm just humble. If that's the case, just bring me money. Help me to get more money, to get more better songs, and I get a better song. So maybe they're around for a purpose, because they're really helping me, boy. Yeah, they do helping me, man. They do help me. These battery don't work nothing nowadays. You notice, Goody? How this battery don't work nothing? The new battery me put in when me leave here. I'm having to spin it 2 times battery. Don't put new battery in already. That's why sometimes I'm not bother with it for come on the road. I want a better thing. If we get a better thing, we can put them, we can push like better loudness, better everything. And then sit them and want money to buy. So when I go out, and do one look something, it's loud, it's clean, it's not for a worry, you have enough power. If you make them we can charge, that's something I have you're supposed to can keep the music on my iPad and charge. When you charge after a while it's still the same thing and shut off. So I can't understand why. I don't understand that, man. It's kinda crazy. Go wash my hands. Just come from outside for a dirty train and get off of these clothes. Don't get the snow on the train. Let me stand up all the way, so that's good. Still have to get off the clothes then. Go wash my hands, that. So sit on your reverse. Reverse, make you stick off and sit on. Because your leg and everything in book on your damn clothes. I trust them. This is what nobody wants to see. That's something I know a lot of shit and I tell people on the subway. There's a lot more shit up you can catch them, but not tell you. Trust me. But I'm not telling you that. Because the whole public have a problem, so we'll tell you for. Yeah, baby, much love to you too. You know how that go already, Cody? Yeah. I'll tell you nothing, man. For what? Tell you for. Want to get EST and all them something there? Yeah, the only thing I don't like with this thing, right? I like it. But the only thing I don't like with this, it's like, if I get real fat for fitting at this. I large this, but because of the stuff them on it. The stuff them on it make it so heavy goody, but it's large more wear. So when I want to buy anything medium size because I large more wear. And remind them when I want it too tight, to mess it up. So I just want to get the size more wear. But I notice with the size here, if the size more wear, it's the see it hang down because it's tough. They make it heavy. So with this stuff you're gonna buy this you wear large, you're gonna have to take a medium size because the thing on it heavy. So you kind of pull it down more. So at least you can't take a large, you wear large, if you wear medium. And if you wear medium, you're gonna have to take small. I have to wash my hands because I touch my face and I don't wash my hands. Wash my hands, no. I'm gonna wash my hands, remind me to go into this. Yeah. I think I hear Mr. Talia dream, isn't it? Yo. I'm in there, I'm troublemaker.
goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Deep throat girl, them a goggle them a goggle. Man smile at them a look a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Money no a throat, them a play the goggle. Girl say me pretty, but you know them now. Me say goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle. Come to the body, me say come down the ring. Come eyes lock, me say come to your thing. And if it's smelly and I put your baby sing. Some girl them a talk, but they can't cover. And them a goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Deep throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. When I get to a girl, tell me what I find. Get no man on your damn bad line. Them a try stop me like stop me all the time. Rise up, me say, them a collect time. If a girl a wanna and she can't get a time, kick up the belly and them damn bad mind. But I goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Girl inna me face like a me she want me goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Deep throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Them a talk and them a be vexed. Goggle in them throat and that a text. One man come and another one left. When we get talk and they what a them a say, them a goggle, goggle, goggle. Banana throat and a goggle, goggle, goggle. Body what you have like a ass in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, 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 saddle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat, them a play the good apple. Girl say they pretty, but you know they now. Let me say goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come high back, me say come do your thing. And if it's smelly and I put your pretty sing. Some girl them a talk, but they goggle them a goggle, and them a goggle, them a goggle. Deep throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle. Deep throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle. You like it so boogie? Would you like it like that? Oh, I like it like that. I'm not going. I can't be. Well, the diamond on the gold, got the gold, got it low. Yeah. That's it, got a little mystical little dream, isn't it? Yo. I'm a troublemaker. Yeah. Goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Deep throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat, them a play the goggle. Girl say they pretty, but you know they not. Me say goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle them, they goggle. Come goody goody, me say come on the ring. Come eyes lock, me say come to your thing. And if it's smelly and I put your pretty sing. Some girl them a talk, but they can't cover. And them a goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Deep throat girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. Man smile at them like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana throat girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. When I get to a girl, tell me what you find. Get no man on your damn bad line. Them a try stop me like stop me all the time. Rise up, they say, them a call it time. If I cannot wanna and she can't get a time. Get up the baby and they can't find mine. Them a goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Girl inna me face like a mission, want to tackle them a goggle, tackle them a goggle. Leave two girl, them a goggle, them a goggle. And smile at them a like a fool, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle, them a tackle. Banana two girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana two girl, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Them a talk that they want me next set. Goggle in them two and that a next set. One man come and another one left. When we get to all that they want to them a make them a goggle, goggle, goggle. Banana two girl, goggle, goggle, goggle. Body what you have like a ass in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, in a saddle, 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 saddle. She say me ugly and she pretty like a model. Man in a throat, them a play the good apple. Girl said they pretty, but you know they now. Let me say goggle, them big goggle, them big goggle, them big goggle. Come goody goody, me say come from the ring. Come high rock, me say come do your thing. And if it's smelly and I put your pretty sing. Some girl them a talk, but they girl them a goggle, them a goggle, them a goggle. Leave two girl them a goggle, them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana two girl goggle them a goggle. Leave two girl them a goggle, them a goggle. Banana two girl goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle, goggle them a goggle. Banana two girl goggle them a goggle.
I made a mistake. I thought it was $2.50 for the couscous. It's not. It's $3.50. I thought it was $2.50. I give the lady only $3. That's not good. She ain't said nothing because she was watching me on Facebook, but that's not good. I thought it was $3. $2.50. So I got $3. $3.50. Get 50 cents next time I go back. You have to pay attention. I talk to Emma. I'm gonna buy one chocolate bar because you know I'm gonna eat candy so, but I saw this and I buy it because I love chocolate, but it's no sugar. It's a fresh chocolate bar, no sugar in it. Just pure chocolate, no sugar. So I feel like it's a chocolate a long time. I love dark chocolate. But this is, you know, yeah, this is no sugar. And funny enough, you know, I like to me have money. I really have money like that, but I try to take myself and eat what I want. It's unsweetened chocolate. You can bake with it or you can eat it, so. And it was $6.49, I'm getting lady $7, and she still said 50 cents more for more tax. I was like, whatever, but it's unsweetened, no sugar. It's unsweetened. No sugar in it, it's pure chocolate. And something like chocolate, that's natural taste of the chocolate itself. Alright, I'm gonna cook now. I'm gonna cook some fish. Try the couscous because it take too much. The yellow yam nice too, you know. I like to make the yellow yam. I'm gonna buy a piece of the yellow yam. I make the salad and the fish. Guys, I'll come back on and see you just now, shortly. Love it, guys. It's not gonna take me that long. Keep on the makeup for now. I'm sitting. Fresh and beard and put on, but now I take off the makeup. Cause makeup later. You can look at yourself and see when makeup go on. I love you guys. You know, alright? Everything good enough? Yeah, we're gonna come and talk about a lot of stuff just now. Let me get my food ready and then come back on. Okay, guys? Love you.